किया है, लेकिन वो इतने पॉपुलर नहीं हुए जितना आप हुए। इसके अलावा आपने दूसरे शोज भी किए, लेकिन वो भी उतने पॉपुलर नहीं हुए जितना बिग बॉस में आप पॉपुलर हुए।
इसके अलावा मैंने सिर्फ एक ही शो किया है, 10 कदम।
जी 10 कदम, पर उससे भी, पर उससे ज्यादा,
क्योंकि वो एक एपिसोड आता है ना, यहाँ पर वो जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं वो मुझे यहाँ तक के बिल्ड करके लेके आते हैं।
जी नहीं, लेकिन
सैटरडे संडे को जो वो हरकतें, जो उनका रोमांस, जो उनके झगड़े, जो उनकी केमिस्ट्री, जो उनका ग्रुपिज्म जो चलता है, तो उसके ऊपर से मुझे बहुत सारा मटेरियल मिलता है आके सैटरडे संडे।
नहीं, लेकिन उसमें आप ये जो 3 पॉइंट्स हैं, एक आपकी पॉपुलैरिटी, दूसरा कि आपकी हाजिर जवाबी, या फिर उन लोगों के साथ एक पर्सनल एसोसिएशन जो उनके साथ
एसोसिएशन जरूर हो जाता है। और क्योंकि मैं हर एक एपिसोड 2-2 बार देखता हूं, तो मुझे पता, आई नो कि घर में क्या हो रहा है, कौन क्या गेम प्ले कर रहा है। ये नहीं कि सुबह को उठे और ब्रीफिंग मिल गई और जाके वहां पर मैंने इंटरेक्शन शुरू कर दिया। दैट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू। सो बेसिकली मैं जरा पसीना पोंछ के आता हूँ, 1 सेकेंड, आप बस जवाब होगा
How do you think has Big Boss contributed in the success of Colors? I mean, from numbers point of view, from revenues point of view, from popularity point of view, everything.
It is one of our flagship shows, non-fiction shows. And every show that we do on the channel contributes to our success. There isn't any one particular show, but Big Boss being probably our biggest show, both in terms of financials and also in terms of the longest non-fiction show, which goes on for 100 days. In terms of buzz creation, I don't think there is any other event or sport that gets you the kind of mileage and popularity that Big Boss does.
And it contributes to society as well.
Of course.
Hi, this is Kalpana from @Gully. I have a question for Nadia. You've been associated with Big Boss year after year. What brings you to Big Boss?
Big Boss is a great platform. I think it's got it's a very unique property. The fact that it is a program that's constructed that's every single day for a certain period of time. The show itself, I believe, lends itself, it complements the brand values that we're building for Happy Fizz. And we think that it creates a great top of mind for our brand.
Nadia, this year you've got Salman as your brand ambassador. You think associating with Colors and associating with Big Boss will give a boost to your brand?
I think like Raj already just said, the fact that we've associated 3 consecutive years says a lot about the fact that we believe in the benefits of the association. With Salman, we've launched this year our partnership, and it has been absolutely phenomenal. Happy Fizz today is growing at over 80% over last year, and we're looking forward to taking this to the next level altogether.
Hi Raj, this is Letty here from Midday. This side. My question is to you. Over the seasons, what's the one thing that you do not want to repeat in this season? And the second question is, besides Salman Khan, what's the secret of the success of Big Boss?
I think it's the format. It's just the format, and it's about human beings are amazing individuals, you know. I mean, this is a case study in terms of human psychology. And I know a lot of people, a lot of parents watch with their children, and we call it a family show. But somebody, you know, I get this lot of requests for casting, and people think that I have a role to play, which I don't. But one of the person who wrote to me said something very interesting. She wrote me a mail and said, I want to go into Big Boss because I also want to discover myself. And that was interesting. I thought it was an interesting spin.
Hello. Hi guys. I have a question for Sheetal. Sheetal, if you can elaborate, I mean, what kind of Jodis we should expect for this season?
So you can expect all kinds of Jodis. You can expect not only blood relations, but friends, colleagues. You can expect people working together. You know, you can expect
basically whatever Jodis we want to make up and we want to put in the house.
Absolutely. Very interesting, very entertaining. and we've got a fab casting, so I think you will like it.
There's one really interesting jodi that we are going to put up, which is not a jodi. That is also a jodi.
Hi Salman, Sana here from Indian Express.
Hi Sana.
Salman, you've worked with a lot of people in Bollywood. Who do you feel has a Vichitra Jodi? Who do you think is a Vichitra Jodi in Bollywood?
So I'll tell you, when I signed Bigg Boss a long time ago, there was one season that I did with Sanju, and season 55. So that was a really good jodi for me. But let me take you slightly back. When I signed Bigg Boss, the one who was being considered to sign Bigg Boss was Shah Rukh Khan. I didn't know about this. Did you guys know about this? No. No, so Shah Rukh was the original choice of Bigg Boss, but he was shooting and he had that shoulder ka jo injury tha uska pehle, and he was shooting somewhere in Prague and he couldn't make it down, and so he couldn't do the show. And that's how I got into Bigg Boss. And this is something that I learned some time ago, and didn't get a chance to thank, Colors and thank Shah Rukh for, giving me Bigg Boss.
And the second question is, every year, more than the contestant, your paycheck is the buzz of town. This year, there's no news or such. Why is it? Is it
because demonetization took place.
Yeah, and trust me, hugely.
And he loves Colors immensely.
Yeah, it's all, yeah.
I have a question for Ashish. Ashish, a question for you. What goes into creating, Abhishek, I'm sorry. What goes into creating such a big mammoth production like Bigg Boss?
So something like...
The challenges you face.
Yeah. I think clearly there is the three talents, the talent part of this property, which starts from the host, goes over to the team that makes those new tasks, and the talent that's in the house. Those are the three pillars that we have for the show like this. That's what you see, that's the mix that gets it all the success.
I have two more questions. One for Nadia.
Only?
Nadia, what are your plans in this season for Appy Fizz? Now also more so because Salman is also the brand ambassador for your brand. And Mr. Khan, one for you. You've been associated with Bigg Boss for a very long time, 9 consecutive years as we heard. So how do you think has that helped your brand value, and how has your brand value helped Bigg Boss and Colors? If you can just say something.
So the answer to that question is, I really don't know. Seriously, I really don't know. Okay, how has Bigg Boss helped my brand, or how I have helped Bigg Boss? I don't know. Just wo ek talmel achhi ho gayi hai, and people see me as the host in Bigg Boss, and they so far can't see anybody apart from me but for Farah Khan. So it's been good for me.
Salman,
because Farah did that one thing, na? And Sanju also did. Yeah. Extension, she did the extension. Actually, when Farah did the extension, the TRPs were higher than mine, by the way. I mean, I'm not shocked with that.
By the way, she's in Goa today.
She's here.
सलमान, आपकी और शाहरुख की जोड़ी बहुत पसंद की जाती है, जब जितनी भी फिल्मों में आपने काम किया या फिर अपीयरेंस में भी रहे। आप दोनों को हम लोग कब फिर से एक साथ देखेंगे बड़े पर्दे पे जोड़ी के रूप में?
अभी तो बहुत जल्दी देख लोगे एक साथ में, और फिर वापस से थोड़ी देर में वापस से
फिल्म के बारे में अगर सलमान बताएं।
फिल्म में भी देख ही लोगे, अगर कुछ अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट आया हमारे पास तो वी डेफिनेटली वर्क। अभी ट्यूबलाइट में he was really generous and he did a guest appearance in ट्यूबलाइट for us, and देखोगे ना अभी ज़ीरो में मुझे।
Somebody right here once.
Yeah, hi सलमान जी, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे इस साइड।
जी जी जी।
मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि ये बिग बॉस में हमेशा ही लड़कियाँ बहुत तेज तर्रार दिखाई जाती है और वो अच्छा भी लगता है देखने में, मज़ेदार। और आजकल लड़कियां हर फील्ड में बहुत आगे आ रही हैं। आप अपने से पुरानी किस एक्ट्रेसेस से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभावित हैं और क्यों, कैसे? किस तरीके से पुरानी हीरोइन को आप अपना
लड़कियां आगे आ रही हैं, बल्कि बहुत आगे आ रही हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा। साथ में ही मेरे लेफ्ट में और मेरे राइट में दो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट और बहुत ही होनहार महिलाएं हैं मेरे साथ, और इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, फाइनेंशियली एज वेल एज इमोशनली इंडिपेंडेंट हैं। एंड या दुनिया उस रास्ते पे चल ही रहा है। अब देखो, आप लोगों ने सब मर्दों को किचन में डाल दिया, सो दे आर रियली पावरफुल। इससे हमको इतना जल्दी, इतना फास्ट ओवरटेक ना करे, एक दरख्वास्त है बस।
और पुरानी कौन सी एक्ट्रेसेस से आप बहुत प्रभावित हैं?
मुझे हेमा जी बहुत अच्छी लगती, मुझे रेखा जी बहुत अच्छी लगती, मुझे उनसे पहले नूतन जी बहुत अच्छी लगती थी, मुझे मुमताज़ जी बहुत ही अच्छी लगती हैं, मुझे मधुबाला जी बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं। सो वैदा जी से हमारे बहुत गहरे संबंध भी हैं, क्योंकि हमारे नेबर हैं और वी ग्रोन अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर। तो एक स्पेशल फिर शम्मी आंटी, फिर आशा आंटी, नंदा आंटी, तो
Alright, one last question and then we are ready for the photo op. Thank you everyone.
सलमान जी, मैं
I'm sorry, this gentleman, आपने पूछ लिया, इनको कब से पूछना है? Please ask.
Salman, heartiest congratulations.
Excuse me, ma'am, एक second.
Salman ji, we have grown up watching three Khans: Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Amir Khan.
No, sir. Before that, you were growing up on Kader Khan.
Yeah, you are right. You are right, sir. You are right.
Sanjay Khan.
Yeah, correct. But हम चाहते हैं कि सलमान, आमिर और शाहरुख खान मिलके अमर अकबर एंथनी की रीमेक करें. Any chances?
चलो सर, ये सवाल किसने पूछा था? हाथ ऊपर करने से मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा। सर, मैं आपसे हाथ मिला लूं सर एक बार?
Done. Thank you so much, guys. We'll just have a photo op. Can you all just come up in front a bit? So we're going to take an Oppo selfie. Hang on. What is this? It's a time lapse. All right, so now